create the new asset. So based on that asset, I can able to give you the overview of the scrapping of an asset. Okay, so that is very, very important. So based on the asset classes and all, okay, we can able to do with all these things with main assets. Okay, so can you take out this plant and machinery for DU R1? Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Can you give the description as plant and machinery 2? Yes, you can just give plant and machinery 2. You can just give plant and machinery 2. Okay, and give the asset main text also, plant and machinery 2. Plant and machinery 2. And can you give the capitalization date as on 01.07.2023? And if you have any time dependent allocations and all, you can just do it. That is business area. And in the depreciation, you can just give the depreciation key. In depreciation areas, you can just give the depreciation key and a useful life. Take out the SLM only. See, you can do it with the WDV. There is no any difference. Okay, just do your point. Okay, why? Because see, if I tell you two different points, okay, one I will be going to discuss each and everything in the class. Second thing, you need to practice it. Why? Because values will be changed. That is the important point. Okay. And the next one is depreciation start date is 01.07.2023. Go to the save button and save it and take out that assets and try to paste it in your notepad. Okay, so that is very, very important right now we have. And the next one is we need to acquire this assets from the vendor, right? Using transaction code F-90. Go to the transaction code F-90. No, come down. Down. Scrapping of an assets. So you can just give after the ABABN, you can just give open the bracket. Open the bracket. You can just give that asset number 1002, right? Okay. So 0 is the main sub asset. Okay, there is no any sub asset for this main asset. Can you go to the transaction code F-90? Go to the transaction code F-90. Go to the transaction code F-90. Yes, give the document date 01.11.2000, sorry, 01.07.2023 and posting date is 01.07.2023. And the document header text is buying asset. Take out the account as vendor account. Everything is same, all of you, but when it comes to the things and all like depreciation calculations, things and all, that is another point of view. Okay, so take out the account and give the suppose how much 10,000 rupees, anything. No, click on the enter. No need to give any transaction time. Give the 10,000 rupees. Just give the 10,000 rupees. And baseline date will be 01.07.2023 and the posting key is 70 and text is purchase asset. And take out the new newly created asset. Okay. $70 is the posting key and take out the account as newly asset. Newly we have taken the new assets, right? So in the transaction type, you can just take out the transaction type as 100. Okay, Everything is fine, right? Click on the enter, give star and plus, and go to the submit and submit. So now you can check with the AW01N. Go to the submit option, and now you can just check with AW01N. Okay, so try to take out that asset 1002, and for the 10,000 rupees we have 376 rupees only, right? So now what we need to do is go to the posted values. Go to the posted values. Yes, now you can able to see. See for this go up. No. Go up. That is sixth period, right? Okay, good. No issue. Why? Because on the date of 01.07.2023, fourth value and fifth period values will be transferred to the sixth period value. Okay, so try to understand the point. Why? Because whatever the depreciation posting values that we have been posted to the particular plan values and all these values, and I mean some of the three values, fourth value period and fifth value period, I mean April, May, June, July. April, May, June. Okay, for the April, for the May, and for the June, okay, that has been posted to the 126 rupees values. Okay, so fourth period value, fifth period value has been added to the sixth period value. Okay, why? Because so it is a scrapping of the goods, right? Okay, so we need to sell these goods to the particular. I mean, we no need to sell any goods to the any customer. Why? Because it is a scrapping goods. 10,000 is the scrapping goods. Okay, 126 is the depreciation values, postings, things and on. Okay, why? Because I think already we do have the subassets depreciations, things and on. Okay, so sixth periods will be taken. There is no issue. I mean, see, 42 plus 42. How much it will be? 126, right? Why? Because see, based on the fourth period and fifth period, it has been transferred to the sixth period value. Okay, why? Because this depreciation has already been there for the previous assets. So that is why it will show you like this. In many systems, it will show you like this. That is not the big point. Okay, now what we need to do is we should calculate this 126 depreciation and we should post it, right? So then next what we need to do is, can you go to the transaction code AFAB now? Can you go to the transaction code AFAB? Go to the transaction code AFAB. Take out the posting period as the sixth period, ma'am. Take out the posting period as sixth period. Take out the posting period as sixth period. See, this is a repeat run, all of you. So that is why you can able to take out all these things with the unplanned posting runs. You can able to take out with the repeating things. See, that is your choice. So what are the things that you want to calculate? You can able to calculate. That is your wish. Okay. Yes, go to the take out the repeat option. No? See, for the repeat option also same thing, all of you. I will just show you. See, why I am taking the repeat option? Why? Because fourth period and fifth period value has been transferred to the sixth period value. Okay. So can you go to the execute button now with the test run? Go to the execute button. Yes. And we can able to calculate the test run has been terminated. Refer to the error log. Go to the error log. What is the error log that we have? Here only there is an error log. Last one. Error list. So only period 05 can be posted in the repeat run. Okay, you do one thing. Remove this thing. Come back, ma'am. Okay, repeat run. Okay, you do one thing. Take out the unplanned posting run. No. Give the posting period only. Just take out the unplanned posting run and go to the execute option. Yes. So test run has been completed successfully and 126 run has been taken forcefully. Okay, why? Because see, the thing is that repeat run is nothing but the within the periods only based on the testing runs. Okay, got it. So we have taken the depreciation from this date only, right? Okay, 01.07.2023 only, right? So if you take the value of 01.08.2023, you can able to take it with repeat run. Okay, I mean you can able to run the depreciation with repeat run. If you take the value of 01.09.2023, you can run the depreciation with repeat run. Okay, so if you are in the same month and it has been transferred to the next periods in on, okay, on that thing, you can able to do this depreciation run with the unplanned posting runs. Come back now, remove the test run and remove the main asset. Remove the test run and remove the main asset and remove the asset number also. Yes, now you can able to do with this execute. Sorry, go to the program and background run job and give the output device as LP01 and go to the continue option.
Hello.
And give the immediate option and give the check and go to the save button. Yes, Ranjit.
Anna, can you repeat once again, Anna? The difference between repeat and unplanned posting. Can you repeat once again?
Repeat run means if you are not in a same month or same period, we can able to do with the repeat run. And if this asset has been acquired from the same period, then you can able to do the depreciation run with the unplanned posting run. Okay. So this background run has been posted successfully. And if you want to check with this thing and go to the system and go to the services, go to the jobs and go to the job overview and 126 depreciation should be calculated with this thing. Okay. I mean, if you want to see all these things, go to the system and go to the services, system services. The next one is jobs and job overview. Okay, go to the execute option. Okay, so this is very much clear. With that thing, the job has been finished. Okay, so can you give /n? Go to the transaction code AW01NM and go to the posted values. Go to the posted values and you can able to see the things. Okay, so this depreciation has been posted. Okay. Then next one is for this month it has been posted and you can just go to the transaction code. What is the transaction code? ABAVN. Go to the transaction code ABAVN. That is scrapping of an asset. Scrapping of an asset. Scrapping of an asset. ABAVN. Scrapping of an asset. Okay. So can you take out the asset and take out the document date? What is the document that we need to take? 01.08.2023. Just take out the 01.08.2023 and posting date is 01.08.2023. And take out the asset value date, ma'am. That is 01.08.2023. Why I'm getting late screen? Okay, in the text you can just give a scrapping of an asset. Okay, so can you go to the additional details? Can you go to the additional details? Here, additional details tab. Additional details tab. And you can just give the posting period as 10 sorry, not the 10. April, May, June, July, August. August. Can you just give the August now? 05. 05 is the main important thing. And why it is getting document type is customer payment? No. Just give a general document, that is SA. SA. Go to the new session, ma'am, and go to the transaction code OBA7. OBA7. I think so. You have opened that thing. No. Come back and go to that thing SA. That is general ledger document. Double click on this thing, ma'am. It is an asset. Okay, good. Okay, come back to this thing and take out the SG. That is general document only. Okay, and special transaction types. What is the special transaction type that we have? We don't have any special transaction type. Okay, so what we need to do is remove this thing. Remove this thing. Directly we can simulate this document. Okay, go to the simulate option now. After line item, no, left side line item levels. There is a simulate option. Is take out the simulate option. Okay, now see all of you. So loss due to scrap. Okay, 42 rupees, and loss due to scrap is, you can just observe, 9,958 rupees. So this is the way you can able to do with this credit balances and debit balances with all these things, and based on the reference values and all, you can able to take out the main assets. With that main assets, you have to see the depreciations values, and with why, because on the next month only we have been doing the retirement process. Okay, complete a scrapping retirement, we can call it as by scrapping, and no one is buying your assets. Okay, so on that thing we need to calculate each and everything. Okay, so that is the important point. Right now we have for the assets, and you have seen the loss due to scrap values and all. That is very, very important. Right now we have. Okay, so what you need to do is go to the transaction and go to the post values now. Go up, there is a transaction, complete transaction and post. Okay, this retirement has been posted. Okay, I mean, what is the document? And take out that document and please try to write down in the notepad. 14 is the main document, right? Now go to the transaction code AW01N. 14 is the main document, all of you. So for this scrapping of an asset retirement processes and all, give slash n, and go to the transaction code AW01N. See all of you, there is no any acquisition values, and you have got some loss, that is 9,958 rupees. Can you go to the posted values now? Go to the posted values here. Go to the posted values. So 42 rupees has been posted, all of you. Why? Because see here, while the value adjustment has been adjusted to the particular main asset value, that is 42 rupees only. Why? Because you can just observe, we have only calculated the depreciation for the 3 months up to 6th period, but we have sold the asset on the August, I mean 01.08.2023. So previous period depreciation will be taken. Okay, in the particular asset. That is why you have got the loss with planned values. Okay, go to the planned values, you can be able to see the asset value things. Go to the planned values. No, go up. See, there is no any depreciation. Okay. 42 rupees. 42 rupees is the main ordinary depreciation. 9,958 rupees. Okay. 42 plus 58 is equal to 100, right? So this is the way you can able to do the scrapping of an asset. Okay, without any customer.